Today's decision in King versus Burwell is judicial activism, plain and simple. For the second time in just a few years, a handful of unelected judges has rewritten the text of Obamacare in order to impose that failed law upon millions of Americans. Today, these robed Houdinis have transmogrified a federal exchange into an exchange, quote, established by the state. This is lawless. As Justice Scalia rightfully put it, words no longer have meaning if an exchange that is not established by a state is established by the state. Justice Scalia continued, we should start calling this law SCOTUS care. I agree. For nakedly political reasons, the Supreme Court willfully ignored the words that Congress wrote, and instead read into the law their preferred policy outcome. These judges have joined with President Obama in harming millions of Americans. Unelected judges have once again become legislators. They are lawless, and they hide their prevarication in legalese. Our government was designed to be one of laws, not of men. And this transparent distortion is disgraceful. These justices are not behaving as umpires calling balls and strikes. They have joined a team, and it's a team that is hurting Americans across this country. Obamacare is the biggest job killer in America. Millions of Americans have lost their jobs, have been forced into part-time work, have lost their health insurance, have lost their doctors. Millions of Americans have seen their health insurance premiums skyrocket. And it is a direct result of President Obama, of Democrats in the United States Congress, and of lawless judges at the United States Supreme Court who have joined the team of the Obama administration. But one day of faux outrage from the Washington cartel won't fool the millions of courageous conservatives all across our country. They know that far too many career politicians, Democrats and Republicans in this nation's capital, are quietly celebrating the court's decision. If they believe this issue is now settled so they don't have to address it, they are sorely mistaken. After today's ruling, Obamacare will now be responsible for imposing illegal taxes on more than 11 million individuals and for burdening hundreds of thousands of businesses with illegal penalties on their workers, killing jobs, and further slowing economic growth. We will repeal Obamacare, and I will fight with every breath in my body to make sure that happens in 2017.